occur to pasture land and oil fields. Fish farm equipment areas and storage buildings will be flooded. Secondary roads and low water crossings will be impacted.
Here, I gotta go, but...
Additional details. At 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday, the stage was 20.8 feet. The Banksville stage is 15.0 feet.
I'm trying to shut them all off.
The maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 6
Here, let's go.
Central Standard Time Friday
I already have one.
20.8 feet.
Come on.
Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 21.9 feet this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Flood stage is 18.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 23.0 feet on October
Just stay in here and record it.
2018. http://www.weather.gov/safety-flood.
Let's go.